Hello guys, in this video we're going to cover the best Mido watches based on specifications. I included all the link in video description below. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to receive more amazing content like this. Number 10. Mido Commander Blue Shade M8429.3.25.11 is a captivating blend of timeless design and contemporary elegance. With its sleek stainless steel case and bracelet, adorned with a captivating blue PVD coating, it exudes sophistication and style. Powered by a reliable Swiss quartz movement, it ensures accurate timekeeping for any occasion. The watch features a striking blue dial with a textured pattern, complemented by silver tone hands and hour markers, creating a visually captivating aesthetic. Its day-date complication adds practicality to its design, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance. Water-resistant and built to last, the Mido Commander Blue Shade M8429.3.25.11 is a versatile timepiece that effortlessly combines luxury and functionality, making it a standout accessory for any discerning individual. Number 9. Mido Commander Big Date NM021.626.22.031. is a striking timepiece that seamlessly combines classic design elements with modern sophistication. Encased in polished stainless steel, its refined silhouette exudes timeless elegance. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping with a touch of mechanical allure. The watch features a distinguished black dial adorned with luminous silver tone hands and indices, offering optimal readability in any lighting condition. Its standout feature, the big date complication at 6 o'clock, adds a touch of functionality and visual interest to the dial. Paired with a comfortable and stylish black leather strap, this timepiece effortlessly transitions from formal occasions to everyday wear, making it a versatile accessory for the discerning individual. Number 8. Mido Watchman Commander Gradient Automatic Mido Caliber 80 Base ETA C07.611 Watch exemplifies a harmonious blend of Swiss precision and contemporary design. Encased in stainless steel, its sleek silhouette boasts a gradient blue dial that transitions from light to dark, adding a touch of modern sophistication. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, derived from the reliable ETA C07.611 base, it offers impressive accuracy and an extended power reserve of up to 80 hours. The watch features luminous hands and indices for enhanced readability, while its day-date complication at 3 o'clock adds practicality to its elegant design. Paired with a stainless steel bracelet, this timepiece exudes timeless charm and versatility, making it an essential accessory for the modern gentleman. Number 7. Mido Multifort M Chronometer M038.431.11097 is a testament to precision engineering and timeless design. Crafted with a stainless steel case and bracelet, its robust construction ensures durability for everyday wear. Powered by a COSC-certified chronometer automatic movement, it guarantees exceptional accuracy and reliability, meeting the highest standards of timekeeping. The watch features a classic black dial with silver tone hands and indices, offering a sophisticated aesthetic. Its day-date complication at 3 o'clock adds practicality to its design, while the sapphire crystal protects against scratches and ensures clarity. Water-resistant and equipped with a transparent caseback, this timepiece combines functionality with elegance, making it a versatile accessory for any occasion. Number 6. Mido Watchman Black Ocean Star 200 Automatic Mido Caliber 80 epitomizes reliability and style, perfect for those with a penchant for adventure. Encased in durable stainless steel, Its sleek design is complemented by a striking black dial with luminous hands and markers, ensuring readability in any lighting condition. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, it offers precision timekeeping and an impressive 80-hour power reserve. With a water resistance of up to 200 meters, it's well suited for aquatic activities. The unidirectional rotating bezel adds functionality, while the sapphire crystal provides scratch resistance for added durability. Paired with a comfortable and stylish black rubber strap, this timepiece exudes sophistication and versatility, making it a reliable companion for both land and sea adventures. Number 5. Mido Rainflower M043.207.6.01.0 epitomizes grace and elegance with its captivating design and meticulous craftsmanship. Encased in stainless steel, its refined silhouette is adorned with a delicate floral pattern on the dial, exuding feminine charm. Powered by a precise quartz movement, it ensures reliable timekeeping for any occasion. The watch features silver tone hands and indices that beautifully complement the floral motif, while the date display at 3 o'clock adds practicality to its design. Its scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the dial, ensuring clarity and durability. Paired with a comfortable and stylish stainless steel bracelet, this timepiece seamlessly combines sophistication with versatility, making it a timeless accessory for the modern woman. Number 4. Mido Men's Automatic Diving Watch Ocean Star 200C Green M04228403 11.091.0 Watt. Watch epitomizes rugged elegance and functionality, perfect for the modern adventurer. Encased in durable stainless steel, its striking design features a vibrant green dial, reminiscent of the ocean's depths, complemented by luminous hands and markers for optimal visibility underwater. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it offers precise timekeeping and a robust 80-hour power reserve, ideal for extended diving expeditions. With a water resistance of up to 200 meters and a unidirectional rotating bezel, it's equipped for underwater exploration. The scratch-resistant sapphire crystal ensures durability, while the stainless steel bracelet adds a touch of sophistication. This timepiece seamlessly combines style and performance, making it a versatile companion for both land and sea adventures. Number 3. Mido Commander Big Date M0216261 Los 6120 Anthracitesteel 1 size is a bold and sophisticated timepiece that exudes timeless elegance. Encased in durable stainless steel with an anthracite finish, its sleek design is both modern and refined. Powered by a precise automatic movement, it ensures accurate timekeeping with a touch of mechanical allure. The standout feature of the watch is its big date complication, prominently displayed at 6 o'clock, adding a touch of functionality to its classic design. The anthracite dial, adorned with silver tone hands and indices, offers a striking contrast and ensures optimal readability. Number 2. Mido Automatic Watch Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite M038.424.33.061.00 is a distinguished timepiece that combines classic design with modern functionality. Encased in durable stainless steel with an anthracite PVD coating, its sleek silhouette exudes sophistication. Powered by a precise automatic movement, it ensures accurate timekeeping with a power reserve indicator, displaying the remaining energy in reserve. The anthracite dial, adorned with luminous hands and indices, offers a striking contrast and ensures optimal readability in any lighting condition. The watch features a day-date complication at 3 o'clock, adding practicality to its elegant design. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer is a versatile and reliable companion for adventurers and globetrotters alike. Crafted with precision in durable stainless steel, its robust design is further enhanced with a sleek black PVD coating, ensuring resilience and style. Powered by a precise automatic movement, it not only delivers accurate timekeeping, but also features a worldtimer function, allowing wearers to effortlessly keep track of multiple time zones simultaneously. The bold black dial, adorned with luminous hands and indices, ensures readability in various lighting conditions. With a water resistance of up to 200 meters and a unidirectional rotating bezel, it's tailored for underwater exploration.